Okay. Hey, Yakira.
Hey,
How's it going?
good.
Okay, so I understand that you wanted to send a message to some very special people.
Yeah, my stepmom, my dad, my sister, my brother. Um, actually, my brother JJ and Niles and Norma. So,
Slay?
and Slay, yeah. And my cousin, my other niece, or
You
my
want
other nephew. Um, Noah.
Why don't you stand up and let them see how tall you've gotten? How pretty you are. This is Yakira. She's turning into a nice, beautiful young lady. She's got her little hair done in little braids. How pretty that is. She wanted a mohawk. Smile. Smile.
It is a mohawk.
Yeah, I was like, oh Lord. So, anyway, you sending your love and kudos and smooches and all that good stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you doing today?
Going to school,
Sadly, you better get happy about it. Okay, Dad, Mom, y'all hear that? I'm just the courier. I'm just here. I don't know. Has nothing to do with that. Love you, Kira. Tell everybody.
I love ya.
All right.
Get yours.
Take care. Bye.